Today I am going to show you some simple and easy exercises and stretches to relieve your back pain, lower back pain. Okay, let's start with it. See, try to touch the wall, hold and bend forward. Hold the wall, keep your palms on the wall and bend forward. Your body should be in one line. Stretch your lower back, stretch your shoulders. Okay, hold for 10 to 20 seconds. Then cat and camel. See, only pelvic movement is there, no shoulder movement. See, first chin up, press your lower back down. Inhale, push your upper back. Again, only pelvic movement. Chin up. Inhale. Push your upper back. Stretch your upper back. Again, exhale. Okay, now other exercise, other stretch is child pose. This is the best stretch to relieve your back pain. Sit down on your heels and bend forward, pushing your arms towards flooring. Stretch your arms, stretch your shoulders, stretch your lower back and try to touch your forehead to the floor. Again up. Hold for 10 seconds or 20 seconds. Down. Seconds. And other stretch is knee to chest. Pull your knee towards your chest. Lie down on your back and you can keep pillow behind your neck for a support. Okay? And pull your knee towards your chest. If you have a knee pain, hold it down here. Okay? Pull your knee towards your chest and hold for 10 seconds. Other leg, pull your knee towards your chest. Hold for 10 seconds. Down. Now both the legs together. Hold 10 seconds. 10 to 20 seconds you can hold. Down. Now other exercise is pelvic lift. Lift the pelvis up and hold for 10 to 20 seconds. Again down. Lift your pelvis up and hold. Down. Okay. Now other exercise. If you are a beginner, then you can hold one leg up. Just hold one leg up. Just hold 10 seconds. Okay. Now down, other leg up, down. Okay. Or you can do opposite arm and leg up and hold, balance. Opposite arm and leg up. Try to keep your arm and leg in one line and straight. Down. Again. Down. If you are a beginner, then you can do this. Only one leg up. Then lie down on your stomach. Okay. And do a Bhujangasana, a cobra. As much as you can do. Lift your body as much as possible. If you are a beginner, you can do half cobra or Bhujangasana. Okay. Then other exercise is Superman. If you have a neck pain, then you can keep your palms near to your chest and lift your body up. Both the arms and legs up and hold 10 seconds. Down. Or you can do this. Hold 10 seconds. Down. If you have a neck pain, you can keep your arms here. Hold. Down. You can do 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beginners, you can just hold. Okay. Then other exercise is keep your legs straight. Okay, toes relaxed and lift one leg up. Chin down. Hold your leg for 10 seconds. Down. This is the best exercise for your lower back and hips. Okay. Up. Down. Or you can do 10 counts. Okay. Up and down. Like this. 10 counts. Up and down. Okay. Beginners, you start with single leg. Otherwise, you can lift both the legs and hold for 10 seconds. Okay. So these are some basic, simple lower back pain relief exercises and stretches. But if you have a severe lower back pain which is unbearable, you can contact your doctor or physiotherapist. Thank you.